To the channel. In this video we're going to be looking at Prezi and specifically their new video function. We look down the menu on the left there, we can see they've introduced a videos function, a design function in addition to their presentation, and there's also a library. So first off, a number of options here. We've got a create new, and click on the button there. We've got a video conferencing tool, so that's using it in conjunction with one of the video and conferencing facilities that are already there. You can import a PowerPoint, and you've got the advanced create. So we just show the import PowerPoint. For that you need to download the Prezi desktop tool to do that. So we're not going to do that at the moment. I'm just going to create a new video presentation. So I've already given my camera and microphone permission to be used. If you hadn't, it would ask you to do that, and you just need to allow that. Then you can start to choose templates. So there's a variety of templates. Let's show maybe that one or potentially that one. So I've now got my template chosen. I can click next step. I can start I can make a decision. Do I want it just to be me? Do I want it to be me with stuff around me, or do I just want the presentation? I kind of like the mix between the two. So it's up to you which you prefer. I like having this in-vision imagery and items. So I can put in some information. In this case, we'll just put in my name for that first one. I can then add additional frames. So in this next one, I can add an image, maybe. And I can continue to add frames. And if I decide I can add images, I can also search for images, or I could upload images. So I'll add one more frame. And you can see it adjusts the font depending on how much font you put there. And I can search for images, and I can add images in there. So I'm happy. I've got enough frames. We could add more frames if we wanted to. So again, down the bottom it's giving you your progress bar of where you are. So next step. It's now ready for me to record my video. So I press record, give me a countdown. Hello, I'm James Keefe. Welcome to my video. I'm going to be looking at how to motivate your students. So first off, it's about understanding, and I can see a spelling mistake, the ability to unlock your student success. And that could be related to their motivation. So what is it that motivates them? It's about finding out, it's about getting to know your students and finding out what drives them. So there, I've finished my presentation. Now I can hit done recording. It gives me the option to edit it if I want. I can play it back and check it's all okay. When I'm happy, if I wanted to record it again, I could click discard and record again. So I'm happy with that. I can go save video. And whilst it's doing that, I can put in a title, I can add some tags, and I can put in a description. I could have it appearing publicly and make it reusable. As this is just a demo, I'm going to leave it unlisted. I've got the option to delete it or record it again. If I wanted to go live, that would be great if I was doing it in relation to a broadcast, and I could share it via these. But in most cases, these types of sites, when you click on one of those, what it asks you to do is it asks you to subscribe. So I'm not going to do that now, but potentially if you do a lot of video, you might think that £3 seems quite a reasonable cost, and you may be prepared to do that for the moment I'm quite happy to leave it like it is. So I could copy that link, I could add that link to the presentation, or the presentation to my VLE or to my email, and share it with whoever I want to view it. I can go back to my Prezi dashboard and I can see there is my 2 videos, and I can also view my previous presentations. So I think it's a great addition at this time when we are in lockdown and we're having to teach remotely. I think this is a great addition, being able to link it to your video conferencing tool and share it that way, and being able to import PowerPoints if you use the desk-based app, I think are all real positives. So I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks.